Hi, welcome to another one of the Inheritance House how-to videos. Today I'm going to show you one of the new things we have on our website, which is our prayer and praise wall. The first thing you need to do is go to our website, which is theinheritancehouse.org. Once you're there, you will come to this home page, and up in our navigation you'll see prayer and praise wall. Go ahead and click on that, and this will take you to this page. And here you can already see the prayer request that was put in by us, the Inheritance House. But what we want you to be able to do is you want to share your own prayer requests. So you go ahead and click on this button here. This opens up a form that you can fill out with your prayer request. Now there's a couple things you can do on this. First of all, we only need your first name, and your email is only required because it keeps people from spam bombarding our website. So we just have you put in your email. That is not put in the prayer request. No one will ever see it, but our staff members. And then we have here where it says please share this. If you click on this little down arrow, you can share it, and that will put you'll have your first name there. Or if you share it anonymously, it just says by anonymous. And if you do not want us to share it, then click on do not share this, and that will simply put your prayer request in our prayer basket where only our prayer team members will see it and pray for it. I'm going to show you quickly what it looks like when you fill it out. Okay, here you can see I've already filled one out, and I've put my name and I've put my email, and you can share this, and then this is where you write out your prayer request. Now, as you can see down here, you can click where it says I prayed for this, and then it says how many times it's been prayed for. If you want to get an email whenever anyone prays for your prayer request, you can check this box, and then you simply check this box to say that you're not a robot. And then you submit your request. And when you submit your request, if you've done it correctly, you'll see this thank you for submitting your prayer request notice that comes up here. And that's all you have to do to send in a praise report or a prayer request, and it will get put up on our prayer and praise wall. And like I said, you'll see them down here. There'll be more wherever you add it. It'll come onto this page, and you'll be able to pray for it, and you'll see who's prayed for it and whatever other prayer and request and praise reports are on here. So thank you for trying out our prayer and praise wall, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks. Bye.